Hello everyone, Nicole here. I want to show you how to make a real estate post with Canva. Okay, we're going to try to make a little meme promoting ourselves. So let's go real estate post and let's see what we can find. And here's one right here, looking for a real estate agent. And that's kind of what I'm looking for, something that promotes me. Here's another one that's not bad either. So I'm going to go back up to that one. And what happens is sometimes when you select one, it will show you other options. See down here? Here's some more options right here. And I think I'm going to try this one. Oh, it's got a couple of things going on there. I'm going to favorite that. I might come back to that. Right now I want to do something simple. Let's go with this one right here. And we're going to customize this template. I would like to point out one thing. I have the free program, so I don't want to pick anything that's got this crown, because when you point to the crown, see how it says Pro? That means you have to pay more. You have to pay a monthly fee. More, I should say pay something. I don't pay anything for Canva. I just have the free account, and I just use the free things that I can find on here. So I'm going to go customize this template. And I've already brought in some pictures, so I can go ahead and get rid of this lady's picture because I know I have some of my own. And I don't think this gray bar is going to work for me. We'll see. We're going to play with it a little bit, see if we can make it work. I have some uploads in here already. I have some pictures of mine. Let's see what I can do. And you upload pictures by clicking on the left column here. You see uploads, and you would upload a file from your computer right here. But I've already done that. Actually, I just saw something I might like better. Might like these better. Let's bring that in too. Nope, that's the same one, I think. Darn. Let's try that one just to have something else in case. And actually, let's go ahead and bring it in. Oops. I don't know how I did that, but we can turn it around. There we go. And I would like to flip it vertically. Nope, not vertically. Gee whiz, Nicole. Horizontally. There we go. So I like when I'm kind of looking in at the words on the meme rather than looking away. And I really don't like this font. Let's see what this one's called. Ledger Serif, Ledger Script. Okay, I don't like either of these. So let's see what else I can find here. I've had good luck with this one. And let's go looking. And let's take this one out totally. Ooh, I like that gold color that popped in there too. Or if it was gold before, I didn't notice it because it was so thin. Real estate agent, question mark. And we want to make this fit. So let's see how we could do that. Make it go down a little bit. Perfect. And I'm going to get the four-way arrow to move the box. Like when you're clicking inside the box, that would be to type or delete. If I click on the white, so I uncheck the box, and then I come over here and I try to just click on the edge. Sometimes, like I could turn the box, or wait, oh, actually, oh, that's for commenting, ignore that. I could duplicate it right here. I could trash it. Let's see what the choices are here. Copy, copy style. You know, there's several options under these three dots. But I am trying to get the four-way arrow just so I can move the box a little. Usually on most programs, you need to have that four-way arrow. There we go. So when I clicked the edge, and then I move my mouse around. Or I tap again. There, I got the four-way arrow. So I want to bring this in a little more. And see how I had that red center line in the middle of, see that little red dotted line there? That lets me know I'm centered. And I'm bringing it down because there's a little space down here, and I want to make sure I'm aligned with that. Let's move that up. I think that's fine. And now let's put my name in here, because I want them to meet me. And again, I'm not crazy about that font at all. Let's get the outside of the box, hit this A, lowercase a, capital A to change, nope, that's not going to work there. So I guess I have to, let's see if I can, it's typing all caps. I'm going to change the font. Let's go to Open Sauce again. Right here. And there we go. Just find whatever is comfortable for you, what you like the looks of. I like that. And this is horribly hard to read. I'm going to put Home Smart, whoops, type in there again, HOMESMART Encore. But again, we hate that font. So let's fix that. But I want it to be a little different. I think I want it to be a little bolder than these other ones that I've been using. Let's see. That's not bad. Let me just fix the O. And now let's see if I click on here and I do, can I bold this? You have to be on the outer edge. You can't be like in the box. Usually, nope, this one does not. Let's try it again. Does not let me bold. Okay, let's see if I can bold this. And let's see if I can bold this, because it seems a little thin. There we go. Again, I just still don't like that font. It's just whatever you like. You don't have to do the same thing I am. I could make that a little more, just to have something a little different. And now I think let's make it the same. I'm not crazy about it. Open Sauce. Here we go. And that's, see this little lowercase a and uppercase a up here? It'll either make it all caps or lowercase. Sometimes, let's see what it does here. There, it made everything capital. Okay. So use that, you know, when you want to change the, whether it's capital or not, the text. I think this up here is bigger than this down here. Isn't that interesting? And I think I want them the same. So if this is 44, let's just make all of it 45. There we go. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to play with this text up here. I want to use a effect, they call it. So I'm going to click on effects, and here's styles. Actually, it's let's see what one of these looks like. Ooh, that made it nice and thicker. I kind of like that. It's too dark. That's kind of interesting. But I don't know what I like. I think I like that. Let's see if I can do that on this one too. A little bolder, huh? I would like a more feminine font there. Let's see if we can find one real quick. So what you're going to do in Canva is you're going to play with it until you get it the way you want. Let me type cursive up here. See if I can find some cursive fonts. Nope, I don't like that. It's got to be readable. That would be okay, a lot larger. But I'm not really crazy about it. So let's undo. Let's see. Okay, let's look a little bit more. Getting close to giving up here. Ooh, that's not bad. Okay, let's do that one, and let's make this 70. Let's see how that looks. I don't know if that worked or not. Let's see. Try it again. Because you're promoting yourself. You want your name to stand out, I think. Got to center this here. And I think I could move the meat up a little bit. And maybe I could bold that meat. That doesn't look good bolded. Let's see how it looks with the effect on it. Then it kind of goes together better. Okay, let's make homes, now let's make this match everything else. Let's make it open sauce. What a weird name for a font. Oh, take cursive out. There we go. Now, let's try open sauce. There it is. Okay, and we're going to do that effect thing on that as well. There we go. And then the Home Smart Encore, we need to make that stand out a little bit. Let's try, that's not bad. Okay, and now I'm going to put over here my license number. And I'm going to move this down a little. It's a little too close to the word Encore. Or I actually have room to move Encore up. There we go. That's better. So now let's go here and let's put in license S.182802. And then we're going to go with my phone number. And then I'm going to put my email, but I want it lowercase. I don't like this upper. It's all upper still. I could fix that. Fix it afterwards, I guess. So let's take this, hit that. That font does not let me make it lowercase. It's very strange. Let's try. There we go. Now I got it lowercase. So let's do open sauce on all of this. There we go. It's a little easier to read too. And I can put my website. And I don't think I need anything else there. And look at that, jumped up to all caps again. So let's try to fix it. Because it's not open sauce again. Sorry, guys. There we go, open sauce. Now we can hit the capital and lowercase a's, and there we go. Now we got it. Now I have room to make that just all of that in that box. I can make that text a little bigger. Let's see how 16 looks. Looks like it's saying it's 16. Okay, and I don't think I like the capital IC. Okay, I gotta hit this little button again. There we go. Okay, got it. Now I think I'm getting somewhere. Now I want to do something fun to make this get people's attention. So first of all, let me slide all of this stuff down just a little bit. And let's move this gold bar here down a little. Get just that gold bar. There we go. And you can see I got the red line down in the center of the print of the words. So that's lined up there. And let's move this one down a little. I think that's good. And now I'm going to take this right here. I want to get on the outer edge again. I don't want to be clicked inside the box. I want to be on the outer edge of the box. There we go. And I'm going to hit animate. And now we go over here to animate. And I think it's bounce. I've played with these before. There we go. That should get some attention. I really am happy with that. So we're going to say both. And you can't change. It says character or word. Word will make you upgrade. So we're not going to do word. We're sticking with free. We're just going to leave it on character. And I really, really like that. Okay. So now we're going to go up here to the share button. Actually, before we hit share, if I wanted to save this in my file of things I've made on Canva, I would go over here to File, and I'm going to hit Save to Folder, and I'm going to hit, I've got already 3 items in the real estate. I'm going to hit it right in there, and what are we going to, oh, it didn't even let me name it. It's okay. So it's saved in this real estate folder, and I can show that to you once I download this. But right now, I want to download it, and I'm going to put Share, and we are going to hit Download. And I don't want to download it as a video because I want to put this on Facebook and I want it to move. So I want to download it as a GIF. And I don't see anywhere that it says loop. Usually you want to make sure your GIF is looping so it keeps moving. But let's try this and see what happens. And there's a little download bar. Once I've hit download, I can see this little bar here. And it'll let me know that it's working. I'm downloading that GIF. I say GIF. Some people say GIF. I do a hard G. It's just a preference. And almost done. And let's go and save it. I'm in my downloads up here, which is where I want to be. I'm going to save it there. And also at the bottom of my screen, it shows that I downloaded something. When I'm done, I can always hit this X to get this little bar off. But right now, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to hit open. Good. It's repeating. It is looped. Perfect. I wanted to get people's attention, and usually movement will do that. So just simple, nothing fancy, nothing complicated, not promising the moon. But if somebody's looking, hey, I'd like to meet you. Okay, so that was how to download a GIF or a GIF. Let's close this. And that little bar went away that told me I had downloaded stuff. I want to show you where it is in the files. So if I were to hit home and I were to go over here, it says projects and it shows folders. That's where it's going to be. So in my projects, I have a real estate folder and I can hit right here and I can see all the things I've made. And the one we just made though, it's showing me the original. Oh dear, did I not save it? No, I did. Okay. Isn't that funny that here it doesn't look like I've edited it at all? That is so funny. And it says Instagram post, but I honestly think this will work just fine on Facebook. We are going to try it right now and see. Okay. And just to be safe, we're going to hit save again. Okay, so now let me go over to my Facebook page. Oh dear, I hope my internet's working. Looks like I've got nothing right now. Let's try that again. Oh, there it is. Good, good. It popped up. Okay, so we're going to slide. Oh, I actually have to get into my real estate profile in order to post. So let's do that. It's acting very strange. Let's see. Let's get over here. Got to get my right profile. Oh, see all profiles. Here we go. And now let's select my business profile. And right here, what's on your mind? And I am going to select an image from my downloads. Here it is. Oh, cross your fingers, guys. I hope this works. And we are going to, oh, let's see. I always like to put a little hashtag here. Nicole Hines. And then I do another one. LV Real Estate. And let's hit post. And we have to wait for it to upload. It says your post is being processed. We'll let you know when it's ready to view. And not there yet. Okay, I am going to hit refresh and see if it comes up because I'm impatient. Not a good quality. Aha, there it is. And it's repeating. I love it. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Sorry, guys, jumping away. Looking for a real estate agent? Meet Nicole Hines of Home Smart Encore. License number, phone number, email. Oh dear, did I make... You look at that, I've got a hashtag in there instead of a @ symbol. Darn. Darn, darn, darn. Okay, so let's go back and let's fix it. Not here. We're going to go over here. Close that. Here it was right here. Let's open it up again. I probably have it open there too. And let's get in here and we can edit it. So if you save the project, if I hadn't saved it, I'd have to start from scratch. But because I saved it, I can just go back and edit it. Okay? And you can choose whether or not you want your phone number on there. I mean, it's possible to say just message me on Facebook and just have your email or whatever, but I figure our phone number's all over the place anyhow, so I don't really mind. So I am going to share again. We're going to download it again, and we are going to download it as a GIF or GIF. And that's it. It's doing its thing again. And then I will delete the old one. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go in here right now and delete that old one. Where is it? Date modified. Should bring it to the top. I think that was it. Did it download? Let's see. I don't see it. Ah, here it is. Popped up. Okay, great. So we're going to do this. And now let's double check it again. Make sure it's got that @ symbol. There we go. Really like that. So let's go back over here. And let's edit the post. And we'll get rid of one and put the other one in. Edit post. And I can delete this. And I can add a new picture. And there it is, the new one. And it's that simple. It'll replace it. And there it goes. And now this looks like the old one because I haven't refreshed the page. So let's go right up here to refresh. And there it is. And there is our @ symbol. Perfect. You have to be interacting as your profile. So here we go. Pin the post. And that should put it in the featured. And there it is. So if somebody were to click there, they would see that. And as this post, as I put more things up, this post is going to move further down the line. So having, because the next thing I put is going to go right here, and it's going to push that post further down. But if I have it in my featured posts, there's a better chance that somebody might see it. And I can probably get rid of some of these that are in featured to clean it up. So let's, where's unpin? Well, I can just delete this one. There is a way of unpinning though, and I would have liked to have shown you that. Why is it not giving us this choice? Isn't that funny? So let's go back. It says manage right here. Let's try this, manage. That says to add one. Aha, unpin. Look at that. So I had to actually hit, there was a manage over here. I had to hit that. I'm going to take these, unpin these, and now I'm done. And I'm going to leave that one in my pinned. And let's hit refresh. Isn't that something? They're always changing the interface too on Facebook. Now to look better as this moves down, because obviously I've got the two right next to each other right now. But after my next post, this will be a little bit away from it. And I just really like the idea of having it in my featured. Okay, I should change my profile pic too. Let's do that real quick. Profile pic, upload a photo, and let's try that and see how it looks. Yeah, it's okay. Something different. Let's try it. I could make it a little bigger. Oh, it's saving already though. Nope, not happy with that. So we're going to do it again. Upload a photo, and I usually have myself in black, so we are just going to go with the black photo. There we go. Hopefully the blonde hair will stand out enough against the black. And that is it. Saving, right down here, these little dots tell me that it is saving. Come on, there we go. And I'm happy with that. It blends in to the background. I have mine on dark, my Facebook. So anyhow, hopefully I hope you learned a few things, and I hope that was of benefit to you. That's all. That's all I've got. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.